So good day everyone. My name is Gabriel Concepcion. So we have here a 01 upsub problem using dynamic programming. So dynamic programming. What is dynamic programming? So dynamic programming solve each sub problem just once, then save its answer in the table. Thus, the computation of the sub problem can be avoided. So yung mga pag nag-solve tayo dito sa using the upsub problem, using dynamic programming po, pag mag-solve tayo, then yung next na i-solve natin, hindi na natin kailangan i-solve ulit since na-solve na natin doon sa una. So, hindi na, parang i-avoid natin na hindi na ulit natin hindi na natin kailangan mag-solve kasi para iwas din sa ng time, para sa pag-take ng time. So, we have a example here. And in the dynamic programming, we have to use the 2D array, two-dimensional array, wherein we have the presence of I and j. So, our goal is to find the value of v. Then, yung n and s natin, wherein is the total number of item. So, we have here the I. Yung I natin is a 0 from to 10, up to 10. So, and yung j natin is 0 hanggang 5,000. So, parang nadi-divide lang siya into 500. So, 500, 1,000, 500. So, let's try this. So, as you can see, we have here a 3 statement here. Ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve yung each box or each row nila. So, dito may item tayo na 1 to 10. So, may length tayo. Ito yung width natin. 500, 300. So, hanggang dito sa 400. Yung endorphin level na natin, ito yung value natin. So, as you can see here sa formula, so, we will get what's in there. So, let's start. So, one of the rule here in dynamic 01 upsub dynamic problem is and the first statement, if I or j is equal to 0, then dp ij is equal to 0. So, mag-initialize na lang tayo. If I equals to 0, yung I natin, ito 0 daw. So, equal natin yan sa lahat sa 0. Ito naman j natin, dito 0 naman. So, equal natin yan lahat sa 0. So, mag-initialize na tayo. So, yan na. Na-initialize na natin. So, since tapos natin itong row na to, and itong column na to, so, ito yung target natin. Itong row 1 and column 5. Kailangan natin hanapin kung dito and so on. So, tingnan natin ulit sa statement. If I or j is equal to 0, and then dpij is equal to 0. So, as you can see, di naman to 0, di naman to 0, di ba? So, next tayo dun sa next statement. So, if length I minus 1 is greater than j, then dpij is a dpi minus 1j. Yung length lang daw natin. So, as you can see in item 1, ang length na what is the length? So, we have a length of 500. Yung 500 ba daw is mas malaki ba siya sa j natin? Ang j natin is 500. So, hindi siya mas malaki dito sa 500. Kaya, next statement tayo. Dito tayo sa else. dpij equals sa max dpy minus 1j dpi minus 1j minus length plus endorphin. So, we have to use this formula to solve here. Kasi nag-fail tayo dito sa first statement and second statement. So, dito tayo sa third statement. So, using that formula, so, let's solve it. So, as you can see here, using that formula, dpij, max, then, as you can see, yung I natin is item 1, diba? So, kaya naging I, 1 minus, I mo minus 1 mo, kaya 1 minus 1. Yung j natin is 500, kaya 500. Then, dito naman, same lang. 1 minus 1, yung I minus 1 natin, which is yung I natin is 1. Then, minus mo sa length natin is 500, di ba? Then, i-plus mo daw yun sa endorphin. And the endorphin natin sa number item 1 then is 500. So, yan. solve nyo lang. So, 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down nyo yung 500 since wala naman siya minus or add. Then, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 500 minus 500, 0. So, plus 500, which is yung endorphin. So, 0 to 500, row 0 daw. Then, 500 column, ang value is 0, kaya naging 0 dito. Dito naman, row 0, column 0, kaya 0, plus 500. So, as you can see here, yung max nyo daw, yun yung ilalagay. So, max niya is 500, kaya ang value niya dito is 500. Yan. Then, since tapos na tayo dito, ito naman yung next target natin. So, row 1 and column 1,000. Next, ang statement natin dito, siyempre, hindi naman siya 0 dito, di naman 0. So, next statement tayo, yung 500 ba mas malaki sa 1,000? So, hindi. Doon pa rin tayo ulit sa third statement natin yung gagamitin ng formula. So, yan So, dito ulit tayo. Dito, I minus 1. Yung I natin is 1, di ba? So, 1 minus 1, 0. Then, yung J natin, napalitan natin since 1,000 na yung J natin. So, bring down 1,000. 1 minus 1 ulit, 0. 1,500. So, length nyo daw is 1,000, di ba? Yung J nyo daw is 1,000. Bawasan nyo yung length natin. Length natin is 500. So, 1,000 minus 500 is 500. Plus 500. So, which is yung endorphin natin is 500. So, 0, column 0 and 1,000. So, ang value niya is 0. Then, 0, 500. Ang value niya is 0. Kaya 0. Plus 500. So, ang max natin dito sa tatlo is 500. Kaya 500 din siya dito. Pag inulit-ulit nyo lang yan, ulit-ulitin nyo lang to gamitin ng formula. Itong tatlong statement, siyempre lagi yan papasok na dito sa statement since di naman siya mas malaki dito sa mga row natin. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yan and ito yung kinalabasan yan. So, yan. Lahat na yan 500 since pare-pares lang naman. So, next target natin, column 2. And row 2 and column 500. So, kailangan natin yung i-solve. So, ulit dito sa tatlong statement, di naman siya 0, kaya pass tayo dyan. So, next statement, length niya, ito about 300, mas malaki sa 500, so hindi. So, third statement na naman tayo. Using that formula, let's solve it. Yan, So, yung I minus 1, yung I natin is 2 na, kaya 2 minus 1. J natin is 500, 2 minus 1, 500, then 2 minus 1, yung J natin, di ba, 500, minus mo sa length natin, yung length natin is 300 na. Yun, plus 100, which is yung endorphin level. So, 2 minus 1, 1, 500, bring down, 2 minus 1, 1, 500 minus 300, so 200. So, since 200 siya, wala naman dito value sa column natin 200. Kung ano yung mas malapit, yun na lang yung ilalagay nyo. Since 200 siya, mas malapit sa dito sa 0 kaysa sa 500, so ilagay nyo 0. Then, plus 100 endorphin level. So, 1, 500, yung column, row 1 natin and 500 natin is 500. So, kaya 500 yung value. Ito naman, row 1, 0 daw, kaya 0, plus 100. So, as you can see here, yung max natin ulit dito is 500 din. Kaya 500 pa rin dito. Yan. Kaya next natin, ito ng target natin, row 2, column 1,000. So, row 2, column 1,000. So, row 2, column 1,000. Siyempre, di naman siya pasok sa first statement. Second statement, di rin. So, dito tayo sa third statement. So, using that formula again, yung sa else. So, 2 minus 1, 1,000 na yung J natin. Then 2 minus 1, J natin is 1,000, minus mo yung length na 300. Yun. Tapos plus mo sa 100. Hindi sindarpin natin. Yung makukuha natin is 1,500, which is yung 500 yung value ito. Then 1,700. 700 is mas malapit siya dito sa 500. Kaya lagay natin is 500 yung value dito. Since mas malapit siya sa 500, kaya 1 and 500 na lang. So 500 lang nilagay. It is ito. Plus yung endorphin natin 100. Kaya 500 and 500 plus 100, so 600. Yung mas mataas is 600. Diba? Kaya yan na ilalagay natin dyan, 600. So next natin target ito. So pagpatuloy nyo lang yan, isolve nyo. So ito ang makukuha nyo. Yan, para parehas na yan. So ang next target natin is row 3, column 500. So di naman siya pasok sa first statement, second, hindi rin. So third statement ulit tayo. So ulit-ulitin nyo lang yan using this 3 statement and makukuha nyo yung lahat yan. So skip na tayo. Solve nyo lang po yun, paulit-ulit. Ito po yung makukuha nyo. So let's use again this 3 statement. Di naman siya pasok sa first statement since di siya 0. Then sa second statement, di naman siya mas malaki yung length niya dito sa 5,000. So dito tayo sa third statement. Using this formula again, so solve natin itong row 10 and column 500. So using that formula, I minus 1, which is 10 minus 1, 5,000, 10 minus 1, 5,000 minus 400 plus 200. So kukuha natin is 9, since 10 minus 1, 9 na. Then bring down the 5,000, 9, then 5,000 minus 400. So, magiging 4,600. So, disregard nyo na lang to 4,600 dyan. So, mas marami sa 4,500. So, 500 na lang yung gamitin natin. So, plus 200. So, 9, column 9, then 5,000 daw. Ang value is 22. So, 2,250. Lagyan nyo lang dyan. Then, dito naman, same din. 4,500. Dapat 4,500 yun. So, disregard nyo. Column 9, 4,500. So, 2,250. So, plus 200. So, 2,250 plus 200 is, kinalabasan niya is 2,450. Kaya, yun yung max natin. Kaya, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. 2,450. So, that's all po. Using this treatment, you can solve a knapsack problem using a dynamic programming solution po. That's all. So, hello again. My name is Gabriel Concepcion. So, earlier we solved a 0-1 knapsack problem using a dynamic programming solution, right? So, today, now is I will be presenting you a Python program that uses dynamic programming to solve a 0-1 knapsack problem. So, kanina, di ba, nag-solve tayo ng 0 knapsack using a dynamic problem solution. So, papakita ko sa iyo itong program na ganun din, isosolve niya parang mas mapapadali using this Python program po. So, this is for maximum endorphin level by selecting song with a limited song duration. This program efficient generate an optical playlist helping user to achieve a possible enjoyment. So let's do first a code review. So first here, as you can see here, so importing song list, which is ito yung song list natin, na ito yung endorphin natin, length per second in endorphin. So ito yung nandito na yung length natin in seconds in endorphin level, yung nakita nyo kanina. So diyan nakalagay na yun dyan. Then next naman is defining the dynamic programming function, itong knapsack. So depth knapsack, it is responsible for creating a DP matrix, yung 2D matrix natin, and filling it with the maximum endorphin level values achieving for different song combination and duration. Next is populating a DP matrix. The program iterates through. Ito nag-iterates tayo through each song and duration, applying the recurrence relationship to either include and exclude. Include is the song if it fits within the remaining duration, then exclude the song if it doesn't fit. So next here is displaying the matrix. So um, dito na magdi-display yung matrix natin. Yung kaninang sinolve natin na sa table, lalabas yun dito sa displaying the matrix. Next, we have another feature which is yung song list choice. Ilalagay niyo yung song list choice niya, ipipredict niya yung maximum ng endorphin level niya. Then, so yun calculating. Dito tayo yung kakalculate ng total endorphin. Yun yung kanina. Yung i-enter nyo yung song list nyo, then ikakalculate na yung total endorphin niya. So, nag-adapt tayo dito ng feature which is yung yes if yung gusto nyo yung program nyo is mag-exit, then no. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ulit ng maglo-loop lang siya ito dun sa duration, then song list, dun sa matrix ulit. So, yun. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumagana. So, let's run the code. So, after you run, lalabas dito yung enter listening duration, yung kaninang example natin na stable, di ba? May 5,000 tayo doon na limit. So, yung column natin up to 5,000, right? So, enter nyo lang. So, yung song matrix niya is lalabas na dito. Ito yung kaninang sinolve natin, di ba? Yung 10, row 10 and column 500 ay 5,000, which is yung 2,4, right? So, accurate siya. So, next natin is enter song list choice. Kung ano yung song list choice. Example, itong song choice list natin na gusto natin itong 10. Then, so, try natin itong 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, ang lalabas niya na result is total amount of endorphin. So, 2,450 kasi, di ba ang 10 yung song list natin, 10. Then, tingnan nyo lang dito yung pang 10, yung last, 2,400. Tapos, di ba ang listening duration natin is 5,000. So, kaya dito siya, 4,000, ay 5,000 and yung song, parang itong row 10 and column 5,000. Kaya, ang total amount of endorphin niya is 2,450. So, next is another example. So, enter YRN, which is, syempre, no tayo kasi may another example pa tayo. So, listening duration, I will give you another example, which is yung, next is 15,000. Enter listening duration, which is yung S, 15,000. Let's try it. So, ito yung matrix niya. So, enter song list. Let's say, nag-repetition na tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat natin yung 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So total amount of endorphins niya is 3,300. So, kasi, kasama siya dito, lahat ng song. Then, kasama pa ulit inulit itong tatlo. So, di ba pag itong 10, ang total amount niya is 2,450. Then, again, dito yung pang tatlo natin is 850. So, 2,450 plus 850. So, total amount of endorphins natin is 3,300. So, another example, last example, I will show you. So, exit, syempre, no. So, enter illusion duration. Let's say 30,000 for our last example. So, ito yung matrix niya. Masyado nang magulo kasi masyadong marami na. Pero, in a table, accurate siya. So, next is enter song list choice. Let's say, repetition natin tong 10 songs. So, 10 song. Parang ganun. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, dalawang repetition tayo, 10 and another 10. So, let's see what is the total number of endorphins naman. So, the total amount of endorphins natin is 4,900. Kasi, syempre yung routine, di ba natin? So, 2,400 yung routine natin and 30,000. Then, since may dalawa tayong repetition, so 2,450 plus 2,450 since dalawa, kaya ang kinalabasin is 4,900 na total amount of endorphin. So, that's all. So, that's how our program works. So, exit, yes. So, exiting program, goodbye. So, that's all po. That's all, how our program works. So, I hope you understand. So, from solving 0-1 AXA problem using dynamic programming, then from showing it the code, the program, and how it's worked. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.